Many of all these rich men, their children, they go always prefer say, their husband get married, because the rich men don't go on like make their daughter marry poor person.
As a token and memorial, that I have taken you, to be my lawful wedded wife, From this day forward, for better for worse, for richer for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part, according to God's holy ordinance. And now therefore, I give you this token of my love.